So hello guys, in this video we'll be talking about natural language processing in AI voice models. So let's get into it without any further delay. So at first let's understand what is an AI model. AI model is something which mimics the human speech. Like the natural way of human speech, the AI will replicate it, will actually mimic it. And second, we see sound production techniques. It uses advanced articulation techniques like place of articulation, manner of articulation, all these it follows. Okay. And third, it expresses emotion in voice. For example, anger will have a tone will vary. That is how. Practice example, if we want to see a live example, it is ChatGPT, of course. In ChatGPT, we have voice model, which is exactly like human voice. So let us get further. So yeah, as I said, the NLP concepts used here in this voice model will be place of articulation, like from which place the sound is originating, refers to point in the vocal tract where sounds are produced. Okay, that is place of articulation, and manner of articulation is how the articulation is done, like how the control flow is done, which part touches with how it is done. Okay, so if we see an example, B, the sound B occurs by the closure of lips, B, and there is also a burst of air, B. I store some air and I relieve it. That's how it is, like place and manner of articulation is done, and AI is actually trained based on it. Like it is made to understand how in human it works, in how human physiology how it works. So that is the thing. So let's get further. The speech synthesis models and articulation, like the models, how they are actually how they understand, like phoneme breakdown. So AI breaks down words into phonemes. Phonemes are nothing but the sound, like sound units. Okay, it is like unit, a segment, and then that model is trained based on these phonemes. There will be a large data set, such as Tacotron and WaveNet. It enhances the speech quality. Okay, and understanding articulation, AI gains insight into sound production by adhering to established articulation rules. So these articulation rules are fed into AI, and it will be understanding, like, okay, if this word is there, how the place and manner of articulation should be done. Everything will be made the AI will be made to understand. Okay. So incorporating emotional expression, how emotional expression is added into AI voice model. If you see that, manipulating prosody, adjusting rhythm, pitch, and speed to convey emotion effectively. That is manipulating prosody. It means that, like, the AI will understand when to increase the pitch, like when to go high and when to go low. Okay, and that is pitch variation, rising at a sentence and reducing at a sentence. Like it will understand, like for example, if you're in anger mode, it will be like, how can you do that? Like that tone will be made for the AI to understand. Also, if when you're sad, it will be like low tone, I'm sad. Like those things will be made understood to the AI. Like for example, when we're whispering, and also like when you're happy, the cheerfulness, everything will be expressed in voice, like I'm very cheerful, I'm very happy. That's how it is done. Okay, the AI will be made to understand that these phonemes will be fed into the data set in such a way. Training AI for emotional speech. Yeah, exposure to emotion speech. AI learns from a variety of emotional speech examples such as happy, sad. So all the data set will contain all these emotions, like for happy how it should be, for sad how it should be, for excited down how it should be. Okay, And adjustment and prosody, AI adjusts its prosody according to contextual cues. Like for this word, whether the context is sad or happy, like based on morphology, based on like previous word, it has multiple NLP concepts. It collaborates it. It understands how a human emotion will be. Similarly, it will mimic it. An objective of training, the primary goal is to achieve lifelike interaction, like a human it should be, making AI more relatable to user through emotional experience. For example, if a robotic voice like how are you, like it will not be so interactive, but if it is going to be how are you, it will be very interactive. So that's how AI models are trained, AI voice models. So merging articulation and expression. So merging these both, we make a human-like voice. Clear sound production focus on producing clear sounds to enhance intelligibility in speech. Higher pitch and pace, like for example, some accents they will have faster pace. For example, British accent will be very fast, and American accent it will be medium. Indian accent it will be slow. Some it has variety of accents. So emotional delivery, incorporate emotional tones to make AI like it will be cheerful, sad. That's what it is. Engaging AI voices, like for example, question mark is there. How? Like it can do those things. So those things are also being trained into AI voice models. Yeah, so text to speech innovations, advancement in NLP for AI voice model, phoneme conversion. That's what a sound is converted to text to speech. Okay, like how a text will be converted into speech. TTS models convert text to phonemes, ensuring accurate speech generation. It follows articulation rules, which enhance speech clarity and naturalness in TTS output. Prosody adjustment and add expressiveness makes making synthesized speech more engaging. Okay, and notable TTS model. If we want to know about like popular ones, Tacotron is there and WaveNet are key examples of advanced TTS systems delivering clear speech. So case study, let us see about ChatGPT voice implementation, like how the articulation and clarity is. It utilizes articulation technique, enhancing clarity in voice interaction. It has like it does the wordings, everything perfectly. Emotional depth, of course, it has emotion like happy, sad, everything. And natural user interaction is also present in that, like. If you want to talk to it, you can question it, it will answer. Everything will be like conversing with a human. If you want to talk about future conversional of AI, significant implications for the evolution of conversational AI technology. Like of course, in future, maybe we'll have robots. Maybe we'll have AI robots which will talk to us, which will interact like little human. So let me show you how this AI voice model is in ChatGPT. So, for example,
hi there. I just want to share how thrilled I am to work with you, and I can't wait to get started. So, what's the game plan?
So, there are different sets of voice. So, they have different tones, different accents incorporated into it. So, AI is really advancing. So, this model, this ChatGPT, it's just a simple model.
Hey, what's up? Feel free. Hi there. Hi there. Nice to meet you.
More like Indian accents. So yeah, so these are the things which AI voice models are like it has in nowadays. And also it has like question interaction. Everything is perfect in ChatGPT voice model itself. So yeah, that's it about it. And then yeah, AI generated songs from lyrics. So not only the speech is made, in the voice models nowadays, song can also be done. Like for example, if you just give a lyrics as input, it will do the song with the help of that. For example, we see that you can also say that you take this particular person's voice and do a song based on his voice. So it can modulate it. The everything will be done perfect. Song creation, AI can generate songs by taking lyrics as input using natural language processing and music generation algorithms. There are certain algorithms which will help in generating the music. An NLP concept, if you see in this, like language modeling is used, semantic understanding, contextual analysis help the AI understand the lyrics. For example, how the song mood should be set up. Should it be sad or happy or cheerful or rock or a pop up, whatever it is, AI will be made to understand that. Okay, and mood matching, of course. As I told you, happy, sad, every proper like the mood will also be set up. For example, if you want to see about the song creation, Jukebox is one of the best example. There is a OpenAI's Jukebox generate entire song to synthesize both lyrics and melodies. If you just give this particular person's voice, if you just insert as an input and give a lyrics, it will do with that person's voice a song. It will generate a song with that person's voice. It will be perfect. It will literally be like that person is singing in person. So that's how AI is advancing in today's era. Future directions and challenges, limitation and emotional mimicry. Of course, it's not so precise, but yet it is like human emotion. Like sometimes it might happen that it might not give the exact emotion as it should be. Okay, and diverse accent handling, of course. AI faces challenges in effectively processing and generating diverse accents, limiting its accessibility. For example, in India, there are variety of accents just in English language. That is very complex to understand. For Bhojpuri has an accent, Malayalam people have an accent, Tamil people have an accent, Hindi people have an accent. Like these accents vary, so that makes AI difficult to understand. And also like Spanish people, Italian people, their accent is completely different. Okay, and natural sound improvement, ongoing advancement are making AI voices sound more natural, enhancing human-like interaction. Yeah, of course, in future it is becoming more natural. Okay, future goals in speech synthesis. The ultimate aim is to achieve speech that closely resembles human conversation, bringing the gap between AI and users. Of course, the future will be like a person is talking in front of me. Literally, it will feel like that. So yeah, that's it about it, guys. Let me conclude here. So AI voice models use articulation for clear sounds and expression, prosody for human-like emotion. These technologies, including speech synthesis, allow AI to sound more natural and conversational. As technology advances, AI will become even more lifelike in its ability to speak like humans. Of course, I think so. The future is completely based on AI. We will be dependent on AI, literally. So that's it about it, guys. I feel it is a very interesting topic to see how the AI actually does the modulation, the exact frequency match. For example, if you give a person's input, it will do the frequency match of this voice and how to generate that voice. Everything will be done in the backend process, and also based on the data set, it will do everything. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you. Have a good day.